Complete lake house remodel. Your search for the perfect lake house ends here. Welcome to Riverbend. This home is currently under extensive renovation and photos will be updated frequently. All new hardie siding, cedar trimmed columns and handrails, doors and windows throughout, wooden decking on front and back of home with stone accents including expanded back covered porch area, completely new kitchen with farm sink, high-end appliances, custom cabinetry with leather pulls, kitchen island will be a dark navy blue, an addition of custom bar and kitchen and pantry. All bathrooms will be completely renovated with new tile, countertops, vanities and plumbing fixtures. New water heater, new HVAC units and ductwork. New flooring, trim and baseboards throughout and upgraded lighting and fans throughout. Rounding out the exterior is the installation of new landscaping including a fire pit and room for a swimming pool upon buyer's request. For an additional cost, seawall, max dock with new cleats and lighting, and finally a new driveway to complete the transformation.